Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we will make this simple composition of birds in a stylized form. So let's get ready. Before we start, I want you all to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start everyone. Now, what we'll do is we'll make a free hand movement and we will create a shape like this. Simple, it's not a circle, it's not an oval. And we will make one more similar shape. So this is the shape. And with this shape, we will create it as a bird. We'll make a V. We'll make a semi. And in the back side, we have made these three for her tail. Circles, not circles, a kind of a shape for the tail. Simple lines for his leg. And a shape for her wings. We will make simple grass. Now we can see some empty space. So what we'll do is we will make some flowers, simple ways in a stylized form. And a simple drawing is ready. Let's start with the coloring. Now for the big bird, I am using the shades of brown and mustard. Whatever colors you are using, you have to mix them. Give the shades, that is important. And always mix with the lighter tone. The shading part, you have to always mixing part with the lighter tone. For the little bird, I am using the shades of yellow and orange. I am not giving the same shades. For flowers, you can use any colors. I am using red, pink, purple, violet. So you can use any colors for flowers. And for the wings of this little bird, we will be using the red color along with it. For grass, we'll use the light green color and we'll give the depth with the dark green color. But we have to do the mixing also. So we'll be doing the mixing. mix it with a light green color in this similar direction. For the background, I am taking light blue and dark blue. So we have done the mixing with the light blue and the dark blue color. Now I'll show you how it will look. Our simple, easy birds are ready. I have removed the tape. Now you can see how beautiful it's looking. I hope you all will enjoy making it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And of course, press the bell icon. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe.